In this video, we're going to make this classic, or a version of this classic, 1981 Frogger. So here you can see our little frog has just been squished. Let's skip ahead here. So the frog is, his job is to jump from down here to all the way up and be safe up in his little nest up here. Frog can jump on logs, he can collect flies, he can be crushed by cars, and for some bizarre reason, if he touches the water up here, he dies. Why a frog dies in the water is beyond me. But, Frogger, classic. So we're going to build that in Scratch. So Scratch, if you've never used Scratch before, there's some important elements here. This is our playing surface where the game is played. You can see the outcome of all your code. All your code will be over here, and all the blocks that you can pick from are over here. The sprites or your characters will be located right here, and stages, the backdrops, will be right here. We'll see all of this as we progress. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make our frog move. For Frogger, we're going to use this block here when the space bar is pressed. Can be found in the Events tab. We're going to use the up arrow. And in Scratch, just like in math, the X coordinates go sideways like this. The Y coordinates go up and down like this. And so if we want our frog to go up, or our cat, we need to change the X position. Change X by 10. Bill, if I click on the change Y by 10. Change Y by 10. Up it goes. Okay. We can right click on that, duplicate it, move it down, change Y by -10. And change it to down arrow. And down goes our frog or cat. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's duplicate it again. Throw away the Y. Change X. Make it right. And repeat again for left. Make it -10. So now we have a cat that moves around. Now, for the purpose of our Frogger game, these number 10s are not very good. If you're building one, you don't have to use 45 or -45. I'm just going to use those because I've found that they work well for the nature of the game I'm going to build here. So that's it for this video, and go try it. Build a moving cat.